Right now, one of the biggest battles in technology is happening quietly behind the scenes. It's not Apple versus Google. It's not social media platforms fighting for attention. It's a battle over who gets to control artificial intelligence. Will the future belong to a few private companies with lockdown AI systems? Or will powerful AI remain widely available to startups, creators, businesses, and everyday users? That debate is called open versus closed AI models, and it may shape the next decade of software, business, and power itself. Most people don't think about where AI tools come from. They open an app, ask a question, get an answer, and move on. But underneath every AI tool is a business model. Some companies keep their systems private and tightly controlled. Others release models more openly so developers and organizations can run them, adapt them, and build on top of them. That difference matters far more than many people realize. A closed AI model is usually controlled by the company that created it. You can use it through an app, API, or subscription, but you do not own the underlying system. The provider decides pricing, limits, features, updates, moderation rules, and enterprise access. Many of today's most polished AI tools fall into this category. They are convenient, powerful, and easy to use, but they also create dependency. If pricing changes or policies shift, users must adapt. An open AI model gives outsiders much more control. Depending on the license, businesses or developers may be able to run it on their own hardware. They can host it privately, fine-tune it for niche tasks, and integrate it deeply into products. They can avoid relying on one vendor. That flexibility is a huge advantage, especially for startups, privacy-focused organizations, and countries that want technological independence. Open models are not always fully open in every sense, but compared with closed systems, they offer far more freedom. This isn't just a technical argument, it affects money. It affects innovation. It affects who gets leverage. If only a few firms own the strongest AI systems, they may control pricing across the market. They may control access to advanced tools, the pace of new features, developer ecosystems, and enterprise relationships. But if strong open models keep improving, competition increases. That can mean lower costs, more innovation, better alternatives, less lock-in, and more global participation. Competition often protects users better than promises do. To be fair, closed systems often lead for a reason. They usually have massive budgets. Training frontier AI is expensive. Closed companies ship polished apps, voice tools, memory systems, and clean user experiences. They can improve systems continuously behind the scenes. For advanced coding, reasoning, and multimodal tasks, top private systems often remain extremely strong. That's why millions of people willingly pay for them. Open systems solve different problems, and those problems matter. At scale, self-hosting or using open ecosystems can be cheaper. Sensitive company data can stay internal. Businesses can tune models for their niche workflows. You are less exposed to sudden vendor changes. Thousands of developers can improve tools around open systems. That distributed energy is powerful. For founders, this is not ideology, it's strategy. A smart startup may use closed models for premium reasoning and open models for lower-cost repetitive tasks. They may use private models for regulated data and multiple vendors for resilience. That mixed approach may become normal. The companies that win may not pick one side. They may combine both intelligently. Artificial intelligence is increasingly seen as strategic infrastructure. That means countries are asking, do we want to depend entirely on foreign private AI systems? Or should we build domestic capability? That's why many nations are investing in sovereign compute, local AI ecosystems, open model research, and national infrastructure. The AI race is no longer just corporate, it is geopolitical. The future probably won't be one winner. Instead, we may see layers. Closed frontier models used for premium enterprise and advanced applications.